Hello, you beautiful 99ers. I am Sway to the 99, and in today's video, I'm actually at the Fremont location of the 99. I've never been at this location before, so come with me and let's see what we can find. All right, so first thing I'm noticing is that it's a lot smaller than, the ones that I've been to before. So let's see what we can find. Oh, these are cute. Little containers. They have the little snowman for popcorn, I think. Oh, look. These are cute. Little star. Oh, they even have some of these left. These are cute for $149. No, I didn't know they had different ones. They have the elf. No way, no way. I didn't know that they had different ones. Look, they even have the little Nomi. You guys, I'm so excited. Oh my God, I'm gonna get these. These are so cute. You guys can see them all together. That is adorable. Oh, look at these pillows for $7.99. And then they have these. Farmhouse. I don't think this belongs there. Oh, and they have these again. Little plushies for $3.99. Oh, I haven't seen these in a while. These are the sculpting leggings for $5.99. And then these I haven't seen before. These are definitely new. At least new to me. All right, let's see if there's anything else that's exciting, that's worth sharing, worth buying. It's funny, again, I've never been to this location before. So, oh, let's look at these. Merry Christmas. These are stackable ones for $2.49. Season's greetings, Santa's little helper, and little J. Well, this is new. I wonder if this is from Halloween. No, it's actually every day. Day of the Dead Skull, $4.99. I never saw this. That is so weird. Never saw that. All right, let's see. Oh, these are cute for $3.99. And it's funny, this store actually has their AC on. I guess it's a little warm. Didn't really notice. Ooh, these are $7.99. Not bad. And then they have these corner shelves for $7.99. I like that they're bringing out home decor stuff. And then they also have these for $9.99. We fancy here at the 99. And then they have this one. Let's see. Oh, it's the same one. Yeah, it's the same one. But I think it's a little smaller. All right, don't forget they do have a lot of good items for like gift giving. Even if you want to do like a little beauty kits. They have tons of Ioni. Literally tons of Ioni. It's cool to see it here regularly now at the 99. And let's see. Nice little rollers for $3.99. And then they have these Simply Beauty curling wands and the flat irons. Not bad. And I like these actually. These are a good deal for $5.99. A little beauty kits or a little spa gift. And again, they have tons of smoke and mirrors. And so I haven't seen this brand in a while. But yeah, let's keep checking and see what are the goodies we find today here at the 99 in Fremont. Oh, I almost missed this one. Look at this. This is cute. The little Magical Beauty facial set for $3.99. And they also have this one. This is the 4-piece foot care kit for $2.99. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. Also, guys, it's a quick reminder, if you have the little flyer that has the, like the different savings, they were having it like 2 weeks ago. Those coupons are valid now, so make sure you use it. It's $9 off 50. So don't forget to use your coupons. Don't miss out on those $9 off. Oh, these are cool. This is the My Arcade. Doesn't have a price. Includes. Huh. Interesting. Game retro. I guess there's multiple games in here. Interesting. And then they have these mini balls. Let's see. don't know if it's just a controller or if it actually comes with the games. If you bought this before, can you let me know? I am very curious because that would be a cute little gift, especially for you old school gamers. And they have tons of headphones. And also there's even more beauty stuff over here. I almost missed it. I'm not used to this store, so don't mind me. I like this though. Nice little purse set. Oh, the doctor thing. That's cute for $9.99. Interesting. They have, again, tons of more beauty stuff on a budget. Like those for $1.99. Very nice. They have the Wonder Woman personal blenders. Holy cow, for $9.99, you guys. They also have Star Wars. Oh my God, I'm freaking out. And they also have the waffle makers for Star Wars. Look at these. And they also have Toy Story waffle makers or pancake makers. And these are all $9.99, you guys. I cannot believe these deals here at the $9.99. These are perfect Christmas gifts. Snatch these up. This is not a drill. They literally just hit the store. I love that they even come with little accessories and you can customize these with your Star Wars or Toy Story imprints, and they even have the little spatula. How amazing are these for $9.99? Get them at your local 99. Oh, and look, they have tons of New Year stuff. If you guys want to get ready, stuff will be selling out quick because we are just literally weeks away from, I think like 3 weeks away from the New Year, which is insane. And it's mostly 99 cents and $1.29. Yeah, everything. I'm not seeing anything above $1.29. Nope, everything seems to be $1.29 or 99 cents. So snatch these up before it's all gone. I'll be saying that to myself, like, damn it, I should have gotten it sooner. Always happens, never fails. But anyway, let's continue on and see what other goodies we can find. Ooh, I never seen this. This is a microwave pressure cooker. What? That's cool. And it is $3.99. That is awesome. All right, let's see. Coffee before talkie. Yes, please. These are $1.99. This is cute. I'm not to say, I'm really impressed with this store. It's a little small, but they have some pretty good stuff. Let's go check out the food section and see if there's anything worth checking out. Oh, I know somebody was actually looking for that the other day. They do have the canes, the sugar canes. And let's see, I'm not sure if there was a delivery day today. But it looks kind of gloomy. This section looks a little gloomy. The salads are $2.99. The teas are 99 cents. Not really seeing anything too exciting in the food section, I have to say. But it doesn't mean we won't find anything. We just have to keep looking. Oh my God. Oh, and don't forget, they still have the Pillsbury 2 for 99 cents. And then they have, to show you these. This is a pretty good deal. These are 99 cents. They have the uncured pepperoni cheese pizza kit by Signature Select, which is an Albertsons Safeway brand. So that's pretty cool. Let's see. Yeah, not really seeing too much in the food section. So let's continue on and see what other goodies we can find. Oh, look at this. This is new. This Drinko for $7.99. And then they have these for $5.99. The Stella Rosa is $9.99. They do have this larger one for $19.99. So that's pretty bad. Not bad. Del Mar Margarita wine cocktails. Alright, sorry. Just somebody's talking really, really loud. I am looking for something. Look, see if they have it. I'm not seeing it, but I'll continue looking. Okay, so I did find what I was looking for. And I also look at this. They have this organic rotini, 100% Italian for $1.99. It looks like a pretty fancy pasta. And let's see, they have, oh, this one is so good. I actually made this, used this last night for dinner. It was so delicious. Let's see, smoky jalapeno. Taste of Inspirations. Oh, that's the brand. Oh, interesting. I've never seen them. 3-bean salsa. These are new. These are 99 cents. I've had this before. It's really good too. This brand is good. And let's see. Sriracha, we've seen a million times. I know they also have this one. Remoulade sauce. I'm not even sure what that is, but it looks good. If you have used it before, let me know, or how it's used. very curious. Oh, look at these. This says, hello, sunshine. I love you, Mom. Mom, you are my sunshine. Be still and know. Be still and know. Psalms 46:10. Cute. And let's see if there's anything else. Ooh, mason jars. I always need a mason jar. So I always feel like the lids go missing. And let's see if there's anything else worth checking out today here at the 99. Not really seeing anything else. So thank you guys so much for watching today's little quick walkthrough here at the 99. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Have a great evening. And as always, don't forget to do the 99